What's up, tubers? Anybody else got a heater like this that uses propane bottles like this? Spend $4, $5, $6 a piece for them when you go out and buy the bottles. These bottles, while not recommended, can be refilled. And buying a single 20-pound bottle is a whole lot cheaper than buying 20 of these. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need to get yourself one of these. Then, of course, you got to have one of these. And then you need one of these. And it doesn't really hurt to have one of these, refrigerant scale. And the setup is pretty easy. You screw this right on here. I'll put a link for this hose down in the description. And you got you a ball valve there. So you can actually turn that on without losing any propane. As you can see, nothing right now. We'll kick it on. We'll purge it just a little bit, just to get the air out. Then we're going to flip this upside down. 20-pounder upside down, right? Now where the real magic happens here is that 20-pound bottle is kind of warm. This little bottle has been sitting outside in single-digit temperatures, so it's really cold. We're going to thread it on there, just like this. And because that 20-pound bottle is upside down, we're giving out liquid. We're not giving out gas. We'll get that to sit nice and level up on there. We will turn this on. And it should come pretty close to zeroing out. Here we go. 0. We are on pounds. And the rest of it's pretty straightforward. We just open this valve. And we let her go. Now, once again, this isn't something they recommend doing. Stay away from open flames. Make sure you've got good ventilation, etc., etc. You'll notice once it gets up there a little ways, it's going to slow down considerably. So we're going to take it and we're going to shake it. And it'll pick back up. And we're going to shake it again. And it'll pick back up some more. Now the warmer you get that 20-pound bottle, the difference in temperature between the two, the wider it is, the better results you're going to have. This is actually not the first time I've shot this video. I shot it last night and it didn't turn out real well. It was real shaky for some reason. I'm not sure what I did wrong uploading, but I was able to get just over a pound into one of them last night, but I had been warming the 20-pound bottle up quite a bit longer. But we're still getting up there. Every time you shake that, you're taking some of that heat away from the propane that's in the bottle by it being absorbed into that cold can from being out in the cold. You can put it in the freezer. If you're doing it in the summertime, set your 20-pound bottle outside in the sun. But the big thing is getting that temperature differential as high as you can. And yeah, we're going to get a pound in there. Or real close to it. And there we have it. We refilled a 1-pound propane bottle. The only thing we're going to lose is this little spurt right here. Right there, that was it. Everything else is in the hose. Now, the beauty of doing it, if you're going to do a bunch of them like this, is you only lose what's in the bottle. Does that make sense? Notice it looks lighter now because we don't have the weight of that on there, but we saw it teared beforehand. We put a full pound in here. If we zero it out, and we weigh the whole thing. It should weigh over 2 pounds right now, and an empty weighs right at or just under a pound. So we've got a pound, and you can feel it. It's completely full. That quick, that easy. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. If you learned something useful today, once again, be very careful doing this. Very, very careful. It's they make these that are refillable, but just know you can refill the ones that quote unquote aren't. Just do it at your own risk. Thanks, YouTube. Peace out.